my stuff. Clean up a little bit in here. Watch what smell, kid. You wanna come help me clean up? Well, I can't help you clean up your room, otherwise you're gonna do it yourself. You wanna help me clean up my room? You say no. It's a bad idea.
What'd you say?
You wanna help me clean my room?
Sure.
Okay, you got your clothes to fold. We gotta fold them up. So we gotta fold your clothes to come out and fold my clothes.
Okay. We could help each other fold both.
Yep.
You're my bestie.
I put my sheet up there out the way. Wait. Sheets out the way.
I've never seen the bed like this.
We'll get my hanger. We'll get some hangers down of the...
Sure.
The dogs are outside of food, right? I heard them outside, but
Yeah, I told Shannon to feed them and put them
And
out.
this big shop. I can't believe people laugh.
Shannon, you give the dogs food, right? So Shannon fed them. They're outside. Alright, so go through these. You know, to hang up my uniform? No, I hang up my uniform myself.
I can help you.
Put this on the hanger. Turn it on the right side.
Sure.
Put it on the hanger.
Do you like my new hat?
Yep.
Hey, Daddy, do you want to hear something funny?
Yep, what's funny?
So, this class has a teacher that's a YouTuber, and they were giving her teacher Christmas presents, and I said one kid gave the teacher a bunch of socks because he has ashy feet, and then one of the kids says, "Merry Christmas, I got you some baby oil for your ashy feet."
That might be rude. What do you think?
Yeah, and they're in college. Hey, but do you want to hear something shocking too?
What?
It's so like a kid slapped their teacher in the face.
Okay.
And then...
Was that your school?
No, it was a YouTube video. And then...
You wanna put this one on the hanger too? Put that on the hanger.
Sure. And then the teacher said to say sorry or else you regret it. And the kid said no. And she got hit in the face so hard, she fell out her desk. 2 shipments will arrive today, including...
Lighter.
No, linger.
Okay.
I don't know what that says.
Shannon said 2 shipments will arrive today, including lingery. You know what that is, baby?
What is it?
Linger?
What? I don't know what it said.
You don't know what it is?
What did it say?
You said what it said. Lingeries.
It's L-I-N, linger.
2 shipments will arrive today, including lingerie.
It's lingeries.
Should I tell her?
Tell me!
Oh my God.
Tell me!
Auntie says it's her pajama. It's her pajama, they call it lingerie. Stuff she gonna sleep in, that's what she said it is. It's lingerie.
Lingeries.
You see those nice little things that you sleep in? You ever see her? You ever see what she sleep in? With the bras and stuff? Yeah, she said you see a sleeping bra, auntie, so she know what you're talking about.
She wears a lingerie.
Yeah, she wears a lingerie.
It's a lingerie.
Boy.
Lingerie.
You gonna put it in my closet?
I have a lingerie right there. These.
Jesus.
Lingerie.
You have no secret, okay?
Lingerie.
No secret.
Lingerie.
No. That's why I'm afraid to order certain things. I'm just prefer going certain things. I'm want to hide things from them. I'm just going to throw a fine answer. I'm pay double price fees.
Lingerie. Lingerie.
Put that on hanger for me too.
Sure. It is.
When they want stuff to secret, they have to tell Amazon say it's a gift. Like when I order it, they mark it as gift and then they won't announce it. Then ordering
Shipments will arrive today, including our lingerie.
some used to pronounce it too. Back in the days.
Can't
I'm like,
handle
what is
these
this?
nuts, bruh. Alexa, song quiz.
Put this on hanger, please.
Welcome back to Song Quiz. How many people want to play Song Quiz? To play a brand new music genre, say genre. Choose a music genre.
Channel, I don't need any music playing in the background of my right now.
No, it's just a
Good.
test.
Starting your today's topics.
Come
Come
over.
over by Sabrina Carpenter. I did it.
The song was Red Wine Supernova by Chapel Rock. The song was Blue by. It's time for the Song Quiz
Oh
bonus
my
round.
gosh. This is fun.
The next level 4 is 200 points away.
They're Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish or Sabrina Carpenter?
You got the lowest for 10 points. The title was Wildflower. You and Cormac are tied with 10 points.
Cormac.
Question 2 of 5 for 10 points.
T.
So I did that again.
Billie Eilish or Taylor Swift? Prophecy.
Question 3. Your
I have
score is
50.
15
I have
points.
50
Score is
points.
30 by Chapel Room. Your
Phenomenon.
score is your opponent is Question 1.
These
for
must
10
be
points.
robots. Sabrina Carpenter or Billie Eilish?
The song was Good Luck.
Who the heck is this Chapel Roan person? Taylor Swift. Billie Eilish or Sabrina Carpenter or Chapel Roan?
You got the artist for 10
Billie
points. The
Eilish.
title was
I'm
Your
just
score is
gonna-
20 and Farhan's score.
Ah,
The artist
dang
for
it.
20
No, it was,
The title was Your
yeah,
score
but
is 20 and Farhan's score is 50.
I didn't,
It's time for the song quiz.
You always listening to that song. So come and get it out.
I do know, I know the artist. I always listen to that song. I used to know the name, but I don't really care about the names. I care about the song.
Country and
Your score is 40 and Farhan's score. To play a brand new music genre, say genre.
Sing that genre in today's genre.
Decades.
To play a music decade, say decade. To play a brand new music genre, say genre.
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 Choose a music genre. You can say to girl bands or say more.
Today's topic.
Starting your today's topics game. Your opponent is red. Question 1 for 10 points.
Taylor Swift. Sabrina Carpenter.
The song
Taylor
was
Swift.
Cassandra by Taylor Swift. The song was Can't Catch Me Now by Olivia Rodrigo. Your score is 0 and Red's score is 30. Question 4 for 20 points. Your score is 0 and Red's score is 50. It's time for the song quiz bonus round. Your score is 0 and Red's score is 430 points in song quiz. Level 4 is at 500 points. Go for it. To play a music decade, say decade. To play a brand new music genre, choose a music genre. You can say starting your today's topics game. Your opponent is Rio. Question 1 for 10 points.
Ariana Grande.
The song was One of Your Girls by Troye Sivan. You and Rio are tied with 30 points. Question 4 for 20 points.
Country music.
The song was Pour Me a Drink by Post Malone.
Malone.
Your score is
Post
30
Malone
and
doesn't
Red's
sound
score is
like
15.
that.
It's time for the song quiz bonus round.
Okay, baby. Love you.
Can we listen to a song?
You've
don't do
accumulated
my video.
430 points in song quiz
Alright,
and
fine. Listen to it
level
now. Let's tell him stop. Let's just stop.
Alexa, stop.
To play again later, say, play song quiz.
Alexa, play Streets by Doja Cat.
Streets, Silhouette Remix, and similar songs on Amazon Music.
I don't think this is it. No, this isn't it. I don't know. Oh yes, this is it. You're gonna like this song.
Why are we listening to that?
Alexa.
Alright guys, let me show you something about my bed. Look at my bed. Alright, show me. I'm gonna spread my bed, but before I spread it, I wanna show you how fancy this bed is. My bed has a remote, alright? Has a remote, Chanel has it. It has vibration. It's got, you know, for those who like vibration, it got vibration in it, like a massager. In the bed. Built in.
Wow.
Alright, built in. And then it got a recliner, so you can
Going
lift
up.
you know when you're doing things and you need like the hips lifted, you can lift the middle and have the hips lifted when you're doing stuff that require hip lifting. And then when you're doing stuff that require leg lifting, you can lift the legs.
And you
And if you're doing stuff that you need the recliner, you can lift the recliner. So
And
like
you
right
can
now,
do
Shannon is
yoga.
lifting the middle because you can lift the hips. When you need hips to be lifted, alright? Cool. Shannon, let's recline it. Give me this. So you got vibration.
It's my favorite.
Alright, it's vibing right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's vibing. And then you can raise the head. Like, I'm raise the head. Wait, wrong one. So you can raise like the pillow top, right? Just a little smidget of raising. Or you can raise the entire thing. I don't know if you can see it raising. I don't know if you can see it.
I'm going
I
up.
don't know if you can
guys.
see it. Alright, I'm gonna move the camera. That way you can see it.
Oh my
Alright?
gosh.
So you can raise it all the way up. And you can raise the legs. So let's raise the
My
legs now.
leg. Oh yes,
Raise
I'm
the
going
leg.
in the middle.
I show you guys what's going on. As you can see it, look, lifting up. So that's a lifting right there. So if you want a bed in a particular position, guys, you want to adjust it. That way, hips reach hips and whatever. You know what I'm talking about, guys. When the game is on, you know what I'm talking about. You can hear the vibration. I don't know. Can you hear it? You can't hear it. But that's the purpose of this bed, guys. You do whatever you want to do. And then you press one button. And then everything goes back to normal. Like one button. And then it goes back to normal. Oh, there's a pillow behind there? I'll leave it. I'm going to get it out. Okay, all right. Let me let it finish off first. Is it on it? Is it on the ground? It's on the frame or it's on the ground? Alright, alright guys. I was gonna put it all the way back down, but I don't wanna break it because channel, little pillow fell behind there. So now I gotta bring it back up to take my pillow out. Yeah, well then it's gonna break my stuff now when it's under there. Take it out. It's out? Okay, pillow is out. 0 degree, put it back down.
Oh, that's how it gets back to normal.
Yes, 0. One button. Literally what?
Literally. Squished like a burrito.
So I'm cleaning my room, and then I'm gonna move on to Chanel's room. All right, let's finish this room. Chanel, don't be jumping in my chair, kid. I literally don't want you on the bed because I'm trying to tidy up the room. Chanel, get off the bed.
I'm gonna fix this part.
No, I want it folded. I folded it for a reason. Why are you messing it up now? You gotta fix it back.
My yacht.
Chanel, get off the bed. Chanel, get off the bed, please. Like for real, this time.
Lingery. Daddy, that's my favorite word.
Alright guys, I'm ordering a red and white set for Valentine's. Cause I'm having my baby over for an entire month.
A month is 8 weeks.
A month is 4 weeks.
And
I'm
she's
having
staying
her
for 3 weeks.
for 4 weeks. Alright, fine, 3 weeks. Still a month in my eyes. Get off this, man.
Nope, baby. Come on.
Alright guys, as you can see, my room decor is gold and blue for now.
Wait,
I have gold accent,
did I
blue
actually
wall.
just make that?
That's what we're working with for right now. Shana, do not go back on bed, please.
Hi, puppy. Hi, Shirley.
Okay.
Dad, this is a gold version of Shirley, right?
Yeah, that's a bug. A pug.
I'm a pug.
Alright, that's my room.
It's either you're gonna get me a pug or a cat.
I get you a pug cat. Oh, normally guys, this is what I do normally. Anyway, whatever. Normally I have the blue in the back, the gold here, and then this like somewhere there. But
whatever, bro.
whatever, I'm not going back over it. These are 2 of them, not going back over it. 2 little donuts. Finish my room.
I'm Bob the Builder.
Shana, we're not doing that inside here.
Okay. I know.
So we're gonna clean up. We said we're gonna finish the laundry, finish folding our clothes before we go mess around with any toys.
Yeah, but this isn't a toy. This is something for me because I like to cook. This makes 0 mess.
Usually, guys, once I spread my bed, it stays spread for days because I sleep on one side and then I use another comforter. That way I don't mess it up. And then
I never use my comforter.
And then I brush it off whenever I'm done. It's like good as new. Okay? So if you know anything, my wife's color was, Sean's color was blue and gold, right? Blue and yellow.
It was mustard yellow.
Yeah, yellow. Sean's color was yellow and blue.
She
And then after she died, I did this. Turn this room into blue and gold. And then look at my curtain. You can't see because the sun pouring in through the window. See blue and gold accents. Look at that.
Dad, look what I did.
The sun is pouring in, so you won't see it.
Dad, show them.
Well, you can see it, right? You can see the gold and the blue, right? You can see it. What are you saying, Chanel?
I got acrylic nails done.
Nobody care about your acrylic
blue
nail.
and yellow.
And you got blue and yellow like mom. Yeah, great.
Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you. You look like an animal.
Go back in the zoo.
What was that? I
Yeah,
just
there's your thing. Here.
drop it in my face. Sit in my face. Okay.
Take the teddy bear off my floor. Let's go to your room now.
My room isn't that big of a mess. Okay?
Well, take your clothes out the laundry, the dryer. I'm putting them on the bed. I'm coming to fold them.